Hey guys, here with another model home with Sterling Ranch community down here in Southwest Denver, another Richmond Homes. This is a 4-bedroom, beautiful. This is about $765,000 right now. I think that's about right. This is the end of November at the moment, so don't quote me on that, but I just want to give you an idea of what the price point is on this home. Really, really nice. 3 levels. We have this kind of second living room going out to a covered backyard. I'll show you more about that here in a minute. And then down here we also have a bedroom. Bathroom. 2-car garage. Currently we can't get in there, but I think this main floor is awesome. There's 2 different covered patios. There's no bedrooms on this main level. So we've got 3 upstairs, and then we have that 1 downstairs. So the second main level is just dedicated to living room, kitchen, and just entertaining space, which I think is pretty cool. Really quickly, guys, just wanted to pause the video for 2 seconds and once again introduce myself. My name is Adam Lang, licensed realtor here in Denver, Colorado. My phone number, my email, all that info is down below. I love connecting with viewers like yourselves, whether you're moving 6 weeks, 6 months, or even 6 years from now. I guarantee I can still provide value in one way or another. And more than anything, we'd just love to connect. So if you could, please also hit that notification bell. That way you'll be the first to be notified every week when I release new videos just like this one. But for now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Thanks. And then again, upstairs on this top level, great views. We've got the primary master bedroom as well as a second 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. So really cool final 3rd top level of the house. Pretty excited to show that to you guys too. One little feature here that's pretty neat, it's a Jack and Jill or a shared bathroom between these 2 bedrooms. However, they each have their own sink. So we've got that one there and that one there. It's a little bit more privacy even though it is a shared bathroom. Here's the primary. Really, really nice finishes. I think this is one of the nicer, best primary bedrooms that I've seen in all these new build homes. upstairs laundry room, nice and close to the bedrooms, which I think is a big plus. Then this extra bonus kind of office play area. Really convenient if you work from home and don't want to keep going up and down stairs. The fact that it's on this upper level with your bedroom is pretty cool. All right, guys, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this one.